Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing insurance in the context of Thai visas, and a question which has come up from a number of clients as well as folks who watch this channel. That question is, well, is insurance going to be required for all Thai visas in the future? Because we've started to see special tourist visas need insurance. OA visas need insurance, different types of visa categories need insurance. Is everybody ultimately going to end up needing insurance if they're a foreign national in order to maintain status in Thailand? I think it's definitely a possibility, although I do think currently this is a temporary exigency that has been driven by circumstances. But yes, I do see a situation, and I've discussed this at length, especially about a year ago when we were talking about O and OA visas, as well as O marriage visas. And it's my opinion that most of the O category will ultimately one day end up having a insurance requirement component to both issuance and renewal. Now, that day has not fully come to pass. There are certain circumstances where O status might be maintained without insurance, but I think that we're sort of in the twilight of those days, and I think ultimately one day we are going to see insurance required on all types of visas. At the same time, we could see it in the context of ED, B visas, maybe even M media visas. It's possible we could see a requirement in the future where Thai immigration says, look, if you come to Thailand, we just want to make sure you have insurance coverage so that you don't burden the healthcare system here in the kingdom when you become ill. Again, it's difficult to say for certain. I hesitate to predict, but there does seem to be a trend toward that eventuality. And that stated, it hasn't come to pass yet, but it could. And we will keep you updated on this channel as those circumstances progress.